tayo sa pagbuo po sa plenary at sa mga committee hearings. Palagi po nababanggit yung salitang quorum. Ano ba yung quorum, Kuya Mark?
Ang quorum, from the word quorum, ito yung minimum number of members of a legislative body who must be present. Okay? Minimum number of legislative body who must be present in order na yung kanilang to transact business, in order to validly transact official business. Ibig sabihin, ang quorum, kailangan yan para valid ang decision po nila doon to transact business. Kung hindi naman wala silang quorum, maging void yung mga ginagawa po nila.
Ano ang patakarang constitutional ng quorum, Kuya Mark?
Ang quorum, very clear ang nakalagay po sa ating batas. Each house, majority of each house shall constitute a quorum. Ibig sabihin, majority of all membership. Majority of all membership in the Senate and majority of the all membership of the House of Representatives shall constitute a quorum. Ano ba yung majority? Ano ba yung tinatawag na entire membership? For example, sa Senado, MJ, ilan ba ang senador?
24.
Ang 24, i-divide mo into 2. Magkano? Mathematics na eh. 24 divided by 2. Magkano? 12 plus 1. So, 13. 13 ang quorum ng Senado. Dito naman tayo sa House of Representatives. Ngayon, based on my research, there are about 318 congressman. So, 318 divided by 2 plus 1. So, therefore, ang quorum ng House of Representatives, 160. Yun.
Oo, ganun pala yun.